Hello students, welcome to your 6th maths class. I am Jyoti Sachdeva from SJJDAV School Haripura. Today in 6th class we are doing our chapter 10 angles worksheet 2. This 7th question, draw the figures or angles using scale and pencil only. You have to use the scale and pencil. I will draw with the sketch and also name them, or you have to give the name of these questions. And their first part is one pair of adjacent angles. We will already read about the adjacent angles in the previous videos. Take one ray. After that, make one angle. Draw another ray to complete the angle. Okay. After that, take one more ray in between these, because this is a common ray of these two angles. Now, this one is the angle 1 and this one is the angle 2. And if we give the other name, give on the vertex O, and there A, B, and here you give the C. These are the names. And the B part, one linear pair. For the linear pair, we will take a straight line. Take the arrow on the both sides and take one middle point, and from here you can draw a line in this direction on a straight line or like this. Now here angle 1 and angle 2 are the linear pair. If you give the other name, here you can give P, Q, R, and here you give the O. C part is one pair of complementary adjacent angles. Complement means two angles का सम क्या होना चाहिए 90 डिग्री, बट वो होने भी क्या चाहिए adjacent. So firstly we will draw the 90 degree angles, क्योंकि adjacent बनाने it means दोनों दो angles combined होंगे, दोनों का सम कितना होगा 90 degree. Okay, firstly we will draw the 90 degree angle. Now draw one more ray in between there. Now this 1 and 2 are the adjacent angles, complementary adjacent angles. A, B, C and D. Any other name you can give. Now the D part, one pair of supplementary but non adjacent. Supplementary angle होंगे but non adjacent. Adjacent नहीं मीन्स इकट्ठे जुड़े हुए नहीं, कॉमन वर्टेक्स नहीं. तो सप्लीमेंट्री के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए, दो एंगल्स का प्लस 180. तो वो हम स्केल से कौन से एंगल बना सकते हैं, तो वो हमारे बनेंगे 90 के. फॉर दिस वी विल ड्रा two angles of 90 degree, because we can't draw the other angles without some measurement, correct measurement. Now this is 90 degree and this is 90 degree. Give the names A, B, C. In this you can give D, E and here you can give the F. E, last part of this question is vertically opposite angle. When two lines intersect each other, then the opposite angles are vertically opposite angles. So draw two intersecting lines. On the vertex we will give the name O these two angles are vertically opposite angles. P, Q, R and S. Now, eighth question is, how many pairs of linear pair are there in the given figure? जो फिगर गिवन है उसमें पूछा है लीनियर पेयर के एंगल्स कितने हैं. Firstly, we will draw the figure. This one is the figure. This transversal line is the name as N, and this horizontal line is, first line is L, and the other, that is slant, that is M. And the name of angle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. In a linear pair, firstly we will find that a straight line, L is a straight line, M is a straight line, N is also a straight line. It means 1 and 2 on the L line in the upper side, 3 and 4, angle 3 and 4 are on a straight line on the lower side of L. Similarly, angle 5 and angle 6 and angle 8 and angle 7. Now if we take this vertical line, then angle 1 and angle 4, angle 2 and angle 3, angle 5 and angle 8, and now angle 6 and angle 7. All are the linear pairs, and our question is how many linear pairs. The linear pairs are numbered 8, and also name any 4 pairs. 4 pairs के name लिखने हैं, then these are the 4 pairs. We write the name of 8 pairs. The ninth question in this worksheet is one of the angle of linear pair is obtuse. Linear pair है, it means both the angles on a straight line, and they are saying one angle is obtuse. Let's draw one obtuse angle. Now this angle is more than 90 degree. It means this is an obtuse angle. And what kind of the angle is the other? ये एंगल कौन सा रह गया? ये तो हमें obtuse दिया था, वो बना लिया. This is obtuse, and the other angle, this one is smaller, less than 90 degree. It means other angle is acute. Now 10th question is, write the pairs of vertically opposite angles of the following figure. In this you have to write the vertically opposite angles of this figure. Firstly we will draw the figure. This one is the figure, and name of angle is given A, B, C and D, and we have to write the vertically opposite angles P and D, angle B and angle D, and write it in the bracket, and angle A and angle C, both are vertically opposite angles. And now see the second part. This one is the figure, and angles names are angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And then pair of vertically opposite angle is angle 1 and angle 5. Then angle 2 with angle 6, angle 3 with angle 7 and angle 4 with angle 8. See this 11th question. 11th question is, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैन नॉट बी अ पेयर ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स। 3 ऑप्शंस गिवन है, इनमें से कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कौन सा नहीं है। देखो 2 एक्यूट एंगल्स होंगे, मीन्स 45, 45, 46, 44, इस तरह कोई भी 2 एक्यूट एंगल्स है तो ये बन सकते हैं। 2 obtuse angles, it means angles are already more than 90 डिग्री, तो इट मीन्स ये ऑप्शन क्या है, नहीं हो सकती। 2 राइट एंगल्स, तो 2 राइट एंगल्स भी क्या है, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री नहीं हो सकते। तो ये दोनों ऑप्शंस जो हैं वो नहीं हो सकते। 12th क्वेश्चन क्या है, लुक केयरफुली एट द फिगर एंड राइट डाउन 1 पेयर ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स। इसमें से कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मीन्स सम ऑफ 2 एंगल्स इज 90 डिग्री, तो ये 2 एंगल्स हैं, तो इनका नेम क्या बनेगा, एंगल AOB एंड एंगल BOC। दिस इज अ 1 पेयर ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स। सेकेंड पार्ट इज 2 पेयर्स ऑफ सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स। सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स के 2 पेयर, देखो मीन्स जिनका सम 90 डिग्री 180 डिग्री, वन एंगल ये एंड अदर इज दिस एंगल AOB एंड एंगल BOD, ये पूरा एंगल। और दूसरी तरफ हम क्या ले लेंगे, एंगल AOC एंड एंगल COD, बोथ आर द पेयर्स, देयर सम इज 180 डिग्री। The next one is 13 question. Figure is given and their first part is write a pair of vertically opposite angles. In this you have to write the first part, 1 pair of vertically opposite, कोई भी लिख सकते हैं, 3 4, 1 2 भी है, 5 6 भी है। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन क्या है इसका, आर एंगल 3 and 6 आर वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट, तो 3 और 6 वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट तो है ही नहीं, वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स तो हमने ये सारे लिख लिए, 3 4 1 2 एंड 5 6, तो सेकेंड का आंसर क्या आएगा, नो। थर्ड वन इज नेम 1 लीनियर पेयर, एक लीनियर पेयर का नेम, तो लीनियर पेयर में एक स्ट्रेट एंगल चाहिए, 2 एंगल्स होंगे पेयर में, एंगल 3 प्लस एंगल 5 प्लस एंगल 2, 3 + 5 हमारे लिए क्या है, 1 एंगल है। नेक्स्ट इज डी पार्ट, आर एंगल 6 and 4 एडजेसेंट, 6 and 4 यस बोथ आर एडजेसेंट, तो इसमें क्या आएगा, यस दे आर एडजेसेंट। नाउ इन दिस नेक्स्ट ट्रू फॉल्स यू कैन डू योरसेल्फ, एंड द नेक्स्ट वन, in this you have to find the linear pair, both are linear pair. For this we will find the value of x, we will subtract 180 minus 40, it means we get 140 degree. In this they are complementary, so for finding the value of x we subtract it from the 90 degree. They are vertically opposite angles, it means they are both are equal, and same they are linear pair. For this 180 minus 60 degree, in this answer is 120 degree, and in this we get the answer is 43 degree. Now here this worksheet is completed. Thank you.